Hey folks, it's Rob here from Drift Outfitters. Now we get asked very often how we set our packs up for use on the water. Now I set my pack up under the premise of have my most used gear the most accessible. So when I look at my pack, I have my nippers very close by, I have my hemostats very close by, and my tippet. So I'll give you a rundown of how I set things up. Now on my shoulder, you'll find that I do have my nippers set just here on a zinger. So when I do go and clip some tippet, it flies right back to where it needs to be and stays set. My tippet is right beside me as well. I change lengths of tippet on the water very, very often, so that's why it's extremely accessible and just here. I have a zinger or a tractor on a pair of minnow clamps, which I use very often to unhook fish, so it's very accessible. It helps me minimize time with fish handling as well, so it's very, very close and easily accessible just here. My least used fly boxes are in my zipper pocket, where I don't dig into very often. Now I have a streamer box, a wet fly box, and a dry fly box as well, all in this one pocket here, and some other things in here too. I have some kahuna strike indicators. I have some other things that I don't use as often tucked away in this pocket. Now in my forward pocket here, my magnetic release one, I have my nymphing box here. It's a jam pack full of nymphs that I use very, very frequently. A few more airlocks in here as well, and some other accessories too. And the very front, I have a fly patch with all my go-to flies I'm using either at the moment or will use very shortly. And I have some float in the front, along with a spool of nylon tippet for dry fly fishing. Now, on the very back of my pack, I do have a net release. I'll show you just here. Now, this net release is set off slightly to the side and offset, so I can grab my net handle very easily, pop it off, and land my fish or a friend's fish. So this is how I set my pack up. So everyone's going to have their own little difference and own personal way they do theirs. But you have some insight into how I set mine up for use on the water. We'll see you soon. Take care.